Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most popular, most enduring designs out there, the shaker-style kitchen. We're going to break down what makes this classic style tick and why it might just be the perfect timeless foundation for your own home. So, let's get into it.
You know the feeling, right? You're planning a new kitchen, and you're staring at this huge decision. How do you pick a style that you're actually going to love in 5, 10, maybe even 15 years? It's that classic struggle, balancing what's trendy right now with something that has real staying power.
Okay, so to really get why it's so popular, we first need to be super clear on what a shaker kitchen is. Let's unpack its core design features. At its heart, the entire look, the entire feel of a shaker kitchen, it all boils down to this one specific thing, the cabinet door. That's it. It's defined by that simple, clean frame that goes around a flat inset panel. There's no fancy carving, no extra details, it's just pure, simple structure. This really shows you what I'm talking about. You can see these simple parts that create that signature look. You've got the outer frame, which gives it structure, and then that recessed panel in the middle adds just a little bit of depth without being fussy. And when you put those two things together, bam! You get this incredibly clean, balanced look that feels both solid and elegant at the same time.
And that simplicity? Well, that's its secret weapon. Let's move on and see exactly how this super basic design ends up being one of the most versatile choices you could possibly make for your kitchen.
And this right here is the key. Unlike some really bold styles that basically scream at you and dictate all your other choices, the shaker cabinet is more like a neutral canvas. It doesn't fight for attention. It actually supports the look you want to build around it, whether that's something rustic or super modern or anything in between. So let's put that into perspective. If you compare it to another really popular style, like a high-gloss flat panel door, well, you can see the difference immediately. That flat panel just reads modern and minimalist. But the shaker style? It's described as timeless and welcoming. And look at that adaptability. It's super high. That means it can live happily with pretty much any material or appliance you decide to pair it with. So, how do you make it your own? Well, that's the best part. It's incredibly easy. You can pair it with soft, neutral colors for a really calm, classic vibe. Or you could add a butcher block or a stone countertop to make it feel more rustic or elegant. Or, my personal favorite, create this amazing contrast by putting in sleek modern appliances. And because the design is so balanced, it works just as well in a tiny apartment kitchen as it does in a giant open-plan family space. But let's be real, a great kitchen isn't just about how it looks, right? It has to actually work for your day-to-day life. And this is another area where the shaker style really shines. Okay, here is a huge practical advantage you might not have even thought about. Picture a totally flat, super glossy cabinet door. Every single fingerprint is going to show up, right? Well, with a shaker door, as this quote points out, that frame and that recessed panel break up the surface. They create these subtle little shadows that do an amazing job of camouflaging all the minor smudges and marks from everyday life. This makes it such a forgiving and practical choice, especially if you've got a busy home with kids or pets running around. It's a design that doesn't just look good on day one, it looks good on day 1000, without you having to constantly wipe and polish it. All right, we've covered what it is, why it's so versatile, and why it's so practical. So now we get to the big question. How do you know if a shaker kitchen is actually the right choice for you? You know, choosing a shaker kitchen is really about embracing a certain mindset. You're not trying to make some loud, trendy statement. Instead, you're investing in a calm, strong foundation that's going to anchor your home's design for years and years to come. The whole shaker approach is about creating that perfect backdrop. It's not a style that's yelling for attention. Its real strength is in its quiet confidence and its structure, and that's what gives it such powerful, long-term appeal. It is the very definition of a design you can live with happily for a very long time. So to kind of sum it all up, this style is all about balance. It's the perfect fit if you're looking for a kitchen that feels orderly, but also welcoming, and it's just incredibly easy to live with day in and day out. It's a design that simplifies your life instead of complicating it. And that brings us to the one final question you should probably ask yourself. Are you looking for a kitchen that's designed to stand out and make a bold, immediate statement? Or are you looking for one that provides a serene, timeless foundation for your daily life? Your answer to that question will tell you everything you need to know. Thanks for tuning in.